again, all the reasons that we're trying to do this is because we want to progress faster, we want clearer goals, and we want to build better communication relationship. No? So yan yung responsibility natin kung tayo ay magpapa-coach. No? Minsan kasi, ang hirap, sometimes I give up with coaches kapag yung may pinag-usapan tapos may pinag-usapan tapos hindi sinusunod. No? Nakaka-frustrate yun kasi nag-invest ka na ng time to coach, hindi pa rin sinunod. No? So, isipin mo yon. If you're a coach or a mentor, what would you expect from your coachee or mentee? Diba? Mentor ka, coach ka, anong ine-expect mo sa kanila? Di ba yun yung ine-expect mo sa kanila? Oh. So, normally, in a coaching relationship, merong tinatawag na ground rules. No? So, ano yung mga dapat malinaw?